This week, the question that came in was, what is the async network IO wait type? And this is one of those that every time we're doing a performance assessment, it always comes up with async IO, and people get really confused on, async network IO, and people get really confused on what it is. And it can be a number of things from slow network, but typically it doesn't imply that you've got a slow network. The async network IO wait type usually implies that there's some client-side application that is slow on processing a result set. Like if someone in their code wrote a loop that was going to iterate through a set of results and download it, and then the database ended up later providing like 10,000 rows, and the application is just there sitting, looping and waiting, it usually means that an application is stuck or that something is slow on the client side. We see this quite a bit, and it's one of those things that we try and track down as part of our performance tuning. And although async network IO wait types can be associated with your network, probably 95% of the time that we see them, it's not related to the network. It's related to the client application, or the desktop on the other end is too slow on consuming the data. So that's one of those things. Sometimes changing the software or upgrading what you're using. We know like Microsoft Access is one of those applications. When it's querying a SQL Server table, it can log a lot of async network IO wait types because it doesn't do a real great job of getting all the data that it needs and the way that it handles it there. So anyway, that's the Ask Steve SQL topics.
Thanks for watching our video. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Please click the thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want more information, more videos like this, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified of future videos that we create.